Hello students, good morning. The sixth chapter going on. That in last class I told that to do yourself these MCQ questions. Then you can check it if there is some problem in any question. The solution tick already. Now next topic we are starting, that rusting of iron. What is rusting of iron? That is the on the iron material that when kept in the air, then after some time a brown layer will be covered on that iron piece, that is known as the rust, and this process is known as the rusting of iron. That iron object like iron nails, iron pipes, iron grill, iron railing, when kept in the moist air, moist means that is the having water in the air, water drops in the air for a few days, get covered with a brown powdery substance called rust. This process is known as the rusting of iron. That is when we kept that any iron material, any iron piece inside the moist air, inside the air that having the some water drops also, then after some time you will observe there is a brownish layer will cover on that material, that is known as the rust. And this process, by which process this brown layer is coming on that iron material, that process is known as the rusting of iron. There are two conditions necessary for the rusting of iron: presence of oxygen and presence of water. If rusting of iron will take place only when the presence of the oxygen, if there will be oxygen, and there will be water and water vapors. Rusting of iron is a chemical change because iron react with the oxygen and moisture to form a new substance, hydrated iron oxide, and we can't back iron from rust. This process of rusting can be represented by the following chemical reaction: iron, oxygen plus water. When we are adding all term, then it will form that hydrated iron oxide, and this is the reddish brown rust. Next, rusting damages iron objects. How we can their rust will damage the iron object? Rust is soft and porous. The layer of the rust fall off from the surface of the rusted iron object and exposing fresh iron matter, which start rusting, and this continuous rusting makes the water iron objects weak and ultimately useless, because if their rust layer will be on the iron material for more time, then it will be dangerous for that object. It will be destroy that iron object, and then this one will be useless. Iron is the cheapest and most easily available metal. It is extensively used in day-to-day life in the making large number of the objects such as gates, railing, bridges, grill, bodies of car, buses, trucks. In mostly everywhere we are using iron. And rusting cause a great deal of a loss and a damage, because rusting is a great deal. That's why we are the painting, denting on the iron pieces to prevent from the rust. Next, our prevention of the rusting. How we can prevent from the rust? First is coating the iron surface with the paint or grease. If we will paint on the iron pieces, then it will be we can prevent it from the rust, because it will be away from the contact of air and moisture. That's why rust is prevented. Second is coating iron with other metal. If we will coat the iron with the other metal, then also we can prevent from the rust. That is process is known as the galvanization. What is galvanization? The process of depositing a thin layer of zinc metal on the iron object is called galvanization. Remember it, in galvanization we are using there the metal that we are using on the iron piece to prevent from the rust, that is the zinc. Zinc remain unaffected by the air and moisture, that's why we are using zinc. And this process of using this one, that is known as galvanization. The iron sheet used for making bucket, drums, dustbin, roof sets also galvanized to prevent them from the rusting. In everywhere we are using iron sheets, so then to prevent from the rust, that's why we are galvanized these sheets to prevent from the rust. Next, our how we can prevent by converting iron into the stainless steel and alloy. If we can convert that iron into stainless steel and alloy is a mixing of two or more metal with each other, then also we can prevent from the rust. Then molten iron is mixed with the fixed amount of carbon, manganese and the chromium nickel. On cooling it form an alloy called the stainless steel. The stainless steel does not rust at all in most air, cooking utensils, knives and scissors, surgical instruments are made of the stainless steel. Next our topic, crystallization. Crystallization. What is crystallization? We know that seawater contains salt dissolved in it. This can be obtained by the vaporization of seawater, and this technique of the separation is not good because salt obtained in this manner are not pure and there is a crystal are small. So crystal are the pure solid form of the substance with a definite geometric shape. Many substances like sugar, urea, copper sulfate, alum, that table salt form the crystal. So crystallization is a process for obtaining a pure solid crystals having definite geometrical shape. That is a crystallization. By obtaining crystals, we are able to purify certain substances then by using this activity. That is crystallization. Now chapter is over. Read this chapter properly. Then do this exercise. Try to do this exercise. Okay, thank you.